Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Let's come and share this video because it's an amazing video. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, as you can see. I have downloaded an amazing and beautiful launcher. This is Alpha Launcher, the Prime version. Okay, I want to test this for the first time on my phone. I have 102.5 on this phone. As you can see, it's crazy. It's working very well. This is Android 10. Yes, Android 10 is here for you. Now, let's test this home, this launcher, and I want to show you what is the difference between FaceTime and this 108 launcher. As you can see, this is 108 launcher. You have all of this, and all of this. Okay, phone, messages, and wonderful. Now I have something different. I have something different here that I want to show you. Let's check. I have Alpha Prime. Alpha Prime is the launcher that I want to talk about. You can download on your Play Store. This is the Prime version. I want to test this right now with you all. Wow, look at the design. Look at how it's beautiful. It's beautiful. What a beauty. What do you think about this? Wow. First of all, look at number 1, number 2, and number 3. Here you have search for application. Okay, all of what you want appear here. And now you have settings here. You can see set as default launcher. You have a choice. You have 108 home and Alpha launcher. Click on always. Now you are good. Welcome. And you have all of this in front of you. You have quick. You have something. This is shortcut. You can access quickly to clock. Okay, or music here. You have also this to recording your voice and something like that. Have this to the country. Have something like that to RAM boost, to boost your RAM. You have this to access to your applications, your menu. You have something like that to access to call and number, something like that. And you have something new here. You can choose SIM 1 and SIM 2 easily. And you can see there are so much features on this thing. When you click on this thing, you can tap and call someone. Okay, do what you want, and you have contact. You have style, all of this, what you want. And this is something good. Here you have quick applications, you have messages, you have camera, and this is good. Beautiful. Now I also Chrome your launcher, and this is good. Very good. When you click, you can access to all of this and make your choice. Wonderful. And what else? You are also this. Here you can add widget. For example, click on plus. Let's check for widget. Okay, you can add your favorite widget. For example, weather and clock. Let's check. Let's create. Go back. Now have weather and clock. Click here. Choose your country, your city, and now it's done. Wonderful. And you have this. You can also add another one, what you want easily here. And beautiful. Look at. Wow. Do you believe this? It's very impressive, bro. Now you can do this. Okay. You can click here, double click, go back, double click to go back. Look at that. Do you believe this? Do you believe? Have plus. You can see, create your own, choose category. Okay, let's choose category. You have social. Okay, add social, media, game, and video. Go back. Now look at what you have. You have this to see your applications quickly here. Now you have also this. Oh no, go back. You have this. Okay, you have this also to check your applications, open YouTube and do what you want to do. All of this like that. Double click to go back, and this is something I want to show you. Go back. Oh, what are you doing? I want to do something wonderful. Look at, when you click here, you can access to something like that. Another applications in front of you. You can open another applications, Play Store, and another application that you see here, and do something like that in the corner. Okay, if you just like that in the corner, and you change everything. This is the premium version of Alpha Launcher. Now you have this to change, also this thing easily for you all. Hold the home screen. No, go settings. You have the item, and here you can choose the color that you want. Okay, choose the color what you want. You can apply, and you can change now everything here. Everything. You can choose change intensity, and wow, it's very impressive. Second color, you can choose what you want and click on apply. Okay, you have second color like that. I want to choose color, this color. Okay, let's apply. Okay, color white. Good. And premade. Okay, now it's good. I have all of this for you. You can see the background. You can change everything, bro. This is something I have not ever seen. Now go back. You have new theme. You can change everything here. You can choose wallpaper if you have wallpaper, and font icons, all of this. And this is very nice. Very nice. This is version 8.5. Now go back, look at your new design. Wow, look at that. Do you believe this? Great. Now there's something I want to show you. I want to show you this. Now you can access to all of your applications just like that in front of you. You have this, all of this. Okay, you have all of this. A, B, and it's great. Can you see this? You can choose something like that, to choose the letter what you want. And you can see M, more of this M. You can easily use your applications and you can do something like that. To move, to move, to move. Yes, yes, I like this. You have a possibility to do something like that, to change everything. Your set preferred icon size. You can change the size of your icons. You can under just change everything. Choose a beautiful icon. Change the size of the text also. Okay, and this is nice. You can also possibility to choose this. Okay, to have to access to all of your applications. Wow, wow. And this, do you believe this? You choose this to choose all of your applications, and this also for you. What's the best with you? What's the best for you? Which is the best? First, you can see also this. You can delete all of name of your applications and increase the size again, size of our applications. And okay, nice. And go back. Wow, look at what you have now. Something comfortable, wonderful. You have this. As you can see, it's working very well. This is also a theme that I install. I install this theme on my phone, and let's see what I use, and let's see why you can see small icons, because this icons is like that. Okay, when you install it like that, nice, nice. And what else? You have this. Okay, to choose what you want. It's great. You have this also. You can choose what you want, and you can do this. All of your hidden application will appear here, just here, and you can make what you want. You can add your code to lock all of this. Okay, hidden application, beautiful. Now, wow, this is amazing. I like this. I like this very, very, very well. With One UI 2.5. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I imagine this on One UI 3.1. Beautiful. What do you think now? For me, this is one of the best launcher that I have ever used. Wow, it's so great. It's so impressive. The thing I want to have here is vibration. When you move, you need vibration for all of this, and it will give me and you a beautiful experience. Wow, this is nice. You can move, change your position. You can remove applications inside just like that. You can also remove category, go back, and okay, do something like that, and it's good. Now it's good. Now it's good. Okay, wow, it's very impressive, very nice, very beautiful, and I like it. Okay, say to me what you think about this. If you like, bro, don't forget to like. Okay, subscribe, like, and share this video. You can also support our channel. My bank link details in the description. You will see my link, my bank link details. You can download the note wherever I have my bank details. Okay, thank you. Look at. Okay, let's see the lock screen. Amazing lock screen with face. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the theme. Look at the wallpaper. What can I do? Wow. Great. 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 And welcome home. Welcome home. Let's check. You see? And you can see. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.